This video walks you through how to build an inventory tracker in Airtable. Start by opening Airtable. From there, create a new base if you want a dedicated space for inventory, or open an existing base if you already have one where this belongs. The goal at this stage is to make sure you are working inside the base that will hold your stock records. Once the base is open, you can begin shaping it around the details you need to track. Next, add the fields that will define each inventory record. Set up a field for item name so each product is clearly labeled. Add a SKU field for the item code, a category field to separate products by type, and a quantity field to show how many units are currently in stock. Then add unit price for cost or sale value, supplier for the source of the item, and reorder level so you can mark the point where stock needs attention. As you create these fields, keep the names clear and consistent so the table stays readable as it grows. With the structure in place, begin adding your inventory items. Create one record for each product you want to track, then enter the relevant information into the matching fields. For each row, fill in the item name, SKU, category, current quantity, unit price, supplier, and reorder level. This gives each product its own complete record, which makes it easier to review stock later without needing to cross-reference information somewhere else. After your items are entered, organize the table in a way that fits your workflow. Use Airtable's filter options to narrow the view to a specific category, supplier, or stock condition. Use sort to arrange items by quantity, item name, or any other field you want to review in order. Use group to cluster records together, such as by category or supplier, so related items appear in sections. These view controls do not change the underlying records, but they do make it easier to scan the table and focus on the information you need at a given moment. Once the tracker is set up, keep it updated as inventory changes. Whenever items are received, sold, or adjusted, return to the relevant record and update the quantity field along with any other detail that has changed. Keeping these records current matters because the usefulness of the tracker depends on the accuracy of the data inside it. If quantities stay current, you can monitor stock levels, locate products faster, and see when items are approaching the reorder point. Your Airtable base now works as an inventory tracker with item records, stock fields, and organized views for ongoing updates.